go so fast. Where we want go? When we win the lotto? Man, I got
Come on, Wally.
Q. Oh, wow.
Stage.
That music sounds like something wonky is about to happen. And they're right. The Comedy Wildlife Photography Awards is probably the world's funniest photography competition. And we give them a shout out, especially Michelle, one of the workers at the awards, for sharing some of this year's pictures with us to give you something to smile about.
So apparently they're going to show the pictures and we got to caption them. So let's see the first one. S'il vous plaît.
Oh,
That's the first one.
see it up. It doesn't catch it. Let me see the picture again. Did you see the fish teeth? Look at the fish teeth. Him just take off braces. And he got a whitening. Must have. Man mouth sort out proper. Okay. Next. Okay, wow. Caption that.
Caption me erase that.
Okay.
Next. Hide, mama come in.
We weasels are only missing one. Anybody seen that frill? Okay. Next.
Me just love me eraser. Hold on, no? What is, me don't know what is the next one.
Photobomb. You know people like to run into other people's shops.
Yeah, but me not me and you not have to say the same thing.
We didn't say the same thing.
No, me say it tally.
Yeah. I never said we have to say the same thing.
I want to say the same thing.
No.
Say how well we know each other.
No, our brains don't work.
Hold on.
Oh, there's another one? What, Jesus? What's happening here?
What is that? Somebody gets stuck near a tree? Is that? What I really want to say I can't say is a raccoon, right? Gosh, what I say about that?
Oh.
What I say about that? Ready? Huh? Is that letter here, right?
What does yours say? This tree very tough, no sir. Okay. My first one is awkward. Or that raccoon is having a very nice time. The dancehall nice again, cause that is definitely a dancehall position.
Every time I do this, I have to show them my little thing.
This will show off.
So when you know how I want. Yeah, it works. That's it. I like the little. Is one beer that?
I can't do it.
Eh? You done?
This is pato, by the way. I'm hoping you get the pun, right? Beer tree below.
Yeah.
Okay.
No man, that was exhilarating. Seriously. I wish we could have do this like every half hour. Caption this. And caption that. One more, you just say when you're done.
Oh,
What is that? You can't even see that. Is that a seal?